Governor Baker today signed an executive order requiring all residents to use a face covering in public places when they can't socially distance from others. Beth Ward joins us live from her home with what exactly that means going forward. Beth?
Well, Jordan, the governor issued the statewide order to go into effect on Wednesday, May 6th. We'll have more on that in a moment, but first let's take a look at some local numbers that we put up for you today. It's been 45 days since the governor first banned dining in bars and restaurants, closed schools, and forbid gatherings of more than 25. That was March 17th. Now, here's a look at the cumulative number of confirmed COVID-19 cases since that date here in the Bay State. Now, this is by week 2 or 2-week increments, that is. You can see the steady climb jumping from 600 cases, that's on March 17th, to 41,000 about a month later, now standing at 62,000. Well, the governor says we have hit a plateau and social distancing guidelines must continue. Well, the face covering order, another step in that direction. He says the order does not apply to children under the age of 2 or to people who are unable to wear a face covering due to medical conditions.
This requirement applies to all workers and customers of businesses and other organizations that are open to the public. The public's required to wear a face covering at all times in grocery stores, retail stores, or on public transportation. The order goes into effect on May 6th.
Well, Governor Baker is asking for additional guidance on wearing face masks from the Department of Public Health for children ages 2 to 5. A face covering can include anything that covers your nose and mouth, including a mask, scarf, or bandana. Healthcare masks, he said, should be preserved for healthcare workers and first responders. Now, community testing for COVID-19, he says, is also expanding into various healthcare centers all across the state, including the healthcare center in Holyoke and also the community center of Franklin County. Reporting live from home, Beth Ward, Western Mass News.
All right, Beth, thanks. And for more coverage on the coronavirus emergency as it develops, you can log on to our free streaming Western Mass News app.